Welcome to Fun with Fluency. Today we will be reading a poem called The Parrot. Our goal for this activity is I can read with fluency and accuracy. This means you will read the words accurately or correctly. You will use a rate or speed that is just right. You will read with expression and pause at punctuation or the end of the line of the poem. To improve your fluency, we will use the repeated reading strategy. That means we will read the poem several times, getting better with each time we read. For the first read, I will read the poem to you and you will follow along with your eyes and silently read with me. Ready? The Parrot. I am the pirate's parrot. I sail the seven seas and sleep inside the crow's nest. Don't look for me in trees. I am the pirate's parrot, a bird both brave and bold. I guard the captain's treasure and count his hoard of gold. Awesome job following along and listening. For your second read, we will both read aloud together. Follow my pace. Ready? Go. The Parrot. I am the pirate's parrot. I sail the seven seas and sleep inside the crow's nest. Don't look for me in trees. I am the pirate's parrot, a bird both brave and bold. I guard the captain's treasure and count his hoard of gold. Super work reading with me. For your third read, you will read the poem silently by yourself. Ready? Go. For your fourth read, you will read it to a partner. You can read it to a family member, a pet, a stuffed animal, or read it aloud to me one last time. Ready? Go. Wow, you did such a great job reading the poem. I can tell you made progress with our goal of I can read with fluency and accuracy. Now I'd like you to rate yourself. Show me a thumbs up if you feel you did an awesome job reading the poem with fluency and accuracy. Show me a thumbs sideways if you're close to meeting this goal. And show me a thumbs down if this was difficult and you need more practice. If you need more practice, watch this video again to read some more with me.
Learning is a hoot.
Thank you so much for reading with me today. Your fluency is truly improving. Be on the lookout for more Fun with Fluency videos. Bye!